Welcome to another edition of NOFOMO's completely biased campsite review. Today we are in West Virginia, not too far away from Spruce Knob campground in something National Forest. We found this site through iOverlander. It's one spot here in a small clearing, and it's maybe 300 feet from the main road. Main is like a little gravel kind of foresty road, but yeah, pretty cool. Next to a brook, and it looked like someone was enjoying the campsite last night because the campfire is still smoking a little bit. So yeah, hopefully we're going to have a couple of quiet and uneventful nights here. But yeah, we're looking forward to our final days of our trip in May to West Virginia. So yeah, this is pretty much it in terms of campsite review, because there are no facilities whatsoever the way we like it, but we have great sunshine, and so we can charge up solar power, and make our own hot water without having to watch out for electricity consumption. So yeah, I hope you liked this campsite review. Press like, subscribe to us if you haven't already, and follow us on our travels across the US and eventually around the world.